Unlock your video creation potential with Gemini AI and Nano Banana, where AI meets artistry. Ever dreamed of bringing your ideas to life visually, but felt limited by the production process? Today, we're diving into how Gemini AI, powered by Nano Banana, revolutionizes video creation, making it simpler, faster, and more innovative than ever before. Our journey begins with concept generation. Think of a theme, maybe a product demo, a travelogue, or an animated explainer with Nano Banana. You can input your core idea, keywords, and desired mood. Gemini AI then analyzes this, suggesting storyboards, visual styles, and even potential narrative arcs. It's like having a creative brainstorm partner available 24/7. Step 2 is asset generation. Once your concept solidifies, Gemini AI, through Nano Banana's interface, can generate custom visuals. Need a specific environment, a unique character, or even textured objects. Simply describe what you envision, and the AI will craft high-quality, on-brand assets tailored to your project. This dramatically cuts down on creation time and the need for external stock footage. Now, let's talk about assembly and refinement. Gemini AI doesn't just generate assets. It understands narrative flow. It can suggest optimal scene order, transitions, and even background music that complements the mood and pacing of your video. You can then easily rearrange these elements, add your own voiceover or text overlays, and fine-tune everything to perfection within Nano Banana's intuitive editing suite. The final step is exporting and sharing your masterpiece, enhanced by the collaborative power of Gemini AI. And Nano Banana is ready to impress. From social media clips to marketing campaigns, you can render your video in various formats and resolutions, distributing your engaging content across all your platforms. It's an intoned solution that empowers creators of all levels to produce professional-grade videos with unprecedented ease and creativity. So, whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your video production journey, embrace the future. Gemini AI and Nano Banana are here to help you tell your story, your way, faster, and with more flair than you ever thought possible.